Hi and welcome. In this video I'm going to teach you how to add transition in video, basically push transition, also slide transition. So here is the footage. This footage I take from pixel.com. okay, so go to the effect, video transition, slide. See, here is the all transition, blend, center split, push transition, slide, clip. First of all, I'm going to show you the push transition. So apply the push transition, click, drag and drop into here. See, this is push transition, blend transition, click, drag and drop here, then center split, drag and drop here. Okay, so play again, push transition, blend, split, center transition. Again, push transition, center split transition, and push transition, blend, split, push transition, and this one center split. Okay, so go again, okay, split, drag and drop here, split, slide. Okay, then play again. This is split transition, whip transition, slide transition. Okay, you can use it into your video if you need. So hope this helpful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.